Hi everyone, this is Ms.Chomper, and today we will be doing the explosion of the volcano. It is super fun, and I love science, so I'm super excited. And one thing that I would also like to point out is to be cautious. If you have long hair, make sure to put it up in a ponytail or in a bun just like this, just so it's not flailing everywhere while we're doing the actual experiment. The materials you will need are super simple. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap. But if you want to add a little extra something to it, you can add food coloring and my personal favorite, which is glitter. And since I love glitter, I'm going to add a ton of it. So once again, the materials are baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, water, food coloring or washable paint, glitter, and measuring cups. So here's more of a visual representation just in case. So the first thing I'm going to grab is a funnel because that helps put liquids through the water bottle. So we're going to put 1 cup of water first. Then we're going to grab our tablespoon and we're going to put around 3 to 4 of baking soda. If you want to make around 2 to 3 eruptions, then you'll add 5 to 6. Now, if you add too much baking soda at once, just like I did, it might be a little tough for it to go down the funnel, so you're going to need to pat it on the side just to help it out. One thing that you could do is you could mix your mixture so that way it can make a better effect. Now we move on to our dish soap. You are going to need 1 teaspoon, but me, because I want it more foamy, I'm just going to add a little bit more than that, so probably like half of a teaspoon, but that's totally up to you on however you want. Now, this is where we can get really fun with it. You can get washable paint or your food coloring and put it inside just to give it a little pizzazz. So I am putting pink because that's my favorite color. Next up, I'm going to fill 1 cup of white vinegar and I'm going to put it off to the side because this is the last step into making the eruption. And now moving on to my most favorite part is adding the glitter. I love glitter, so I added a ton of it. That's totally optional for you. This is where the fun begins. We are going to place our vinegar inside and see it erupt. As you can see, it is oozing out of our volcano. But as you can see, my color didn't really come out, so I believe I did not mix it as well as I thought. But if you mix it better than me, then it should come out just perfect. To me, it looks so satisfying seeing all the glitter spill out and sparkle. Here's a more close-up version of seeing it ooze out. It looks really sparkly in my perspective, and I think it looks pretty cool. So I added a little extra inside, like a vinegar, just to see it more flow out. That's why I added the extra tablespoon of baking soda. And as you can see, it looks so cool. And what I decided to do was do a trial too. So I put a second water bottle and I'm going to redo it all over again. This time I'm playing around with the mixture. So I'm still adding basically the same amount of baking soda and water. The only thing I'm doing different is not adding the food coloring. I'm still adding the glitter and a little less vinegar. So I believe it'll make it a smaller explosion. So we'll find out and see. Now we're adding the vinegar, so exciting. Now, as you can see, the explosion didn't come out as big just as we predicted, but I still had lots of fun and I hope you guys did too. So yeah, have a great rest of your day.